So now we're finally ready to start the line work. So the first thing I want to do is select the artwork layer, the sketch copy layer, and change the opacity so that it's not as dark, so that as we're drawing over the top of it, you know, the lines that we're creating will stand out. So select the layer, go up to opacity, and slide that down. This is all personal preference on how much you need to see the artwork when you're drawing over the top of it. So 50% is a nice number. So we'll click on 50%. And now we want to make the line work layer visible. So I'll click on the box next to the line work layer to make it active, and also select it. We will select the brush tool from our tool palette over to the left, and we will use hard round pressure size brush. Settings are shape dynamics, dual brush, transfer, and smoothing. Make sure those are turned on. And the size of the brush I will be using is 15. So set it at 15. We will start with small lines and master the whole T&J design, and later add some contrasting line weights later on in the process. I did add one layer of white paper to the bottom of the layer stack so that we can see what we will be drawing over a lot easier. I'll go back to the line work layer, and with my brush selected, I will get started. And I will probably speed the video up for the sake of time, so just take your time and enjoy the process. with the first level of line work completed, I will now go back into my design and increase the line weight of my brush so that I can add some contrasting line weights to the design. So here we are. We've completed the final step of the inking process for our T&J logo. Off camera, I decided to continue to enhance the line weight throughout the design. I added some additional details around the shoes, and I made sure I varied the line weight throughout the design. We will also combine the initial line work layer with the thicker line work layer so that they are all on one layer. With the line weight now complete, we will move on to the next video in this series where we will add color to T&J and finalize the design. I thank you all for sticking around, and if you like this video and you want to support my content, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.